YouTube, what's going on? Today is the 10th of November, and I'm doing a little straightening up. It's about 70 degrees out here, zone 7, DMV area, and I am getting ready to not come out here anymore, at least until it gets warm again. So I'm out here just picking up a few things, straightening up, leaf blowing, making sure everything's good. However, I am going to be out here to harvest stuff real quick, which I may bring closer to the house so I don't have to be out here when it gets cold. My kale, mustard greens are doing good. These are some of the mustard greens and cabbage, kale, well, not cabbage, but some of the mustard greens and various greens that I planted. I think broadleaf, Florida broadleaf, some lettuces. Still got to separate the carrots, take them out the pot, boom, 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 pop them in. Still have some garlic I need to put in the ground from the other day, but that's not the reason I'm out here. The reason I'm out here is it's collection time. Yes, you guessed it. The lemon tree has a lot of lemons that are ready to go. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do with them this year. This is the most I've ever had. Maybe I give a few away. Probably do that because it's more than enough. I am going to make lemon juice so that way I can put on fish, chicken. I am going to make zest. I'm going to do lemon pepper. I'm going to take the skin, dry it out, and pulverize it once it turns in, and turn it into like a powder. Use that for, I don't know, maybe put it in some type of cloth and make a potpourri kind of air freshener out of it. Something that I can sprinkle on the carpet and vacuum up. Let's see, what else am I going to do? I'm going to collect the seeds. Who knows? I'll plant them and see if they do anything or not. Not really concerned with that because I have one here and I got a tree there. And I got one more Meyer over here that I took a branch from. So that's what I'm out here to do today. And any other kind of creative ideas that anyone can think of, put the comments in below. And while I have your attention, I'm going to need people to subscribe. I really do appreciate it. I'm almost to 100 subscribers. I never thought that I would get there. Never in my wildest dreams. But I am happy. I'm very close to 100 subscribers. So, got that out the way. Look at this. And I'm not going to harvest all these. Like this one right here still has a teeny bit of green on it. I'm going to let that sit. So anything that has a hint of green at the bottom, I'm not going to touch. But this will be the first lemon of 2022. And of course, you're not supposed to pull them off. You're supposed to snip. Wow, I wish we had smell-o-vision. This smells awesome. But that's the first one. While I still have your attention, I'm going to be slowing down on the videos for the remainder of the year. And that's because I want to focus on developing this channel to be much better. This is, of course, my first time out doing something like this. Initially, I was afraid to get on camera. I was afraid to do this, talking to friends, and I said, hey, why not? I think I was more nervous of, well, I don't know everything. Well, that's part of the journey. No one knows everything. And plus, what I do is I do what works in my garden. I'm not here to give advice. That's one thing I won't do, because what works for you works for you. So I'm not going to be on here trying to be a teacher, a lecturer, or anything like that. I just do what works for me. Ouch! And I just got bit. When you're doing this, please be careful of these thorns. They do not play. That one was on me. So, back to what I was going to do. I'm still going to have video content coming out twice a week. But as far as producing videos and making more videos, I will restart that back in 2023. I may have about 2 more videos that I am going to do this year. Maybe. But more than likely, I'm not, because I don't want to be out here. When it gets cold, I'm more of a house plant or a house pet. I'd rather be indoors than out here in the cold. So I do what I can do while it's like this, short sleeves in November. I love it. But as far as cold, nah. If I could fly south like a bird, I would. So I'm not going to be out here messing around. Sunday, our temperatures are supposed to dip into about 32 at night. So a lot of these trees will go inside. I mean, they still can do okay, but 32, I'm not going to be out here hauling trees inside. So I'd rather do it possibly maybe tomorrow, Saturday. I'll be out here bringing a lot of my citrus in, bringing my African banana tree indoors. Peppers, greenhouse, all these are going to a greenhouse. Hopefully later today I have the carrots planted and mulched over. The garlic, same thing. I believe I found a space for the garlic. But yeah, I'm not going to be out here. Takes the enjoyment out of this. In my previous videos, I spoke about this tree producing lemons last year. I believe it started, they were right by December. This tree can grow anywhere from 8 to 10 feet. Well, no, I'm sorry, 15 feet, 10 to 15 feet, and it can spread out 8 to 10 feet. This tree is never going to make it to that size. If I can get me a nice hoop house, a greenhouse, and it's a real good one, I will plant it in ground in the greenhouse and let it do its thing. But right now, I'm going to keep this thing short. Oh, this thing is biting. I know some people take the thorns out. Okay, that looks good. These do not ripen off the vine, so once you get them, you got them. Okay. Didn't mean for that to happen. Still got some green on it. I was talking to my mom the other day, and She was telling me how expensive lemons were in the store. I wonder how much money this would be. Usually they will sell them like 3, 4, whatever amount of dollars, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Move this out of the way so we can get a photo. It's not a bad haul. While I'm here, might as well grab this right here.